In this video, I'm going to show you how to use both the Transform and the Free Transform tools. Transforming gives you the opportunity to scale, rotate, skew, distort, warp, flip, or adjust the perspective of your pixels in your selection. First, go ahead and make your selection. In this case, I want to use the entire image, so I'll press Ctrl A to select all. Go to the Edit menu and select Transform. Scale increases or decreases the size of the selection. Use the corner handles. To rotate, move your mouse outside the box until you see the double-headed arrow, and then rotate in either direction. If you want to accept your changes, press Enter or click on the check mark. To discard, click on the circle with the arrow through it or press Escape. Skew allows you to distort on a given axis when you drag a side handle. Distort lets you distort with no restriction on axis. Just drag the corner handles. Perspective applies a one-point perspective when you drag a corner handle. Warp lets you liquefy the selection by manipulating the grid. Just place your mouse over any one of the panels and drag. Here you can either rotate the selection or flip it horizontally or vertically. So believe it or not, as easy as that was, that's actually the hard way. The more efficient way is to use the Free Transform tool. Either go back to the Edit menu and select the Free Transform tool, or just press Ctrl T to save time. Now you can do all of this, but from one place. If you right-click over the selection, you'll see all of the tools that we used before with the Transform. But you can make it even easier. You can scale and rotate just as you did before. For scaling, just grab a corner and drag. For rotating, place the mouse outside of the box and then rotate. Now here's where it gets a little different. To skew, press Ctrl-Shift and then drag on any handle. To distort, press Ctrl and drag on any handle. For perspective, press Ctrl, Shift, and Alt and drag on a corner handle. So let's put this to use. I'm going to press Escape to get back to my original selection. Next, I want to copy by pressing Ctrl-C. Let's move over to this other image that I have open. The goal is to place our selection onto the side of this truck. Click on the new layer icon and then press Ctrl-V to place the selection onto the new layer. Then press Ctrl-T to bring up our Free Transformation tool. Let's start by scaling down the selection and moving it over the side of the truck. Video. Futuristic delivery system.